Hello and welcome to Pops to Milk Crochet, where I share crochet patterns, tutorials, and inspiration. In this crochet tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create the solid shell stitch, also known as the shell stitch or solid scallop stitch. This pattern features beautiful shells that add texture and elegance to your crochet projects. For this tutorial, I'll be using a size 4mm crochet hook and some worsted weight cotton yarn in a lovely peach color. The solid shell stitch uses multiples of 6 plus 1 and an additional chain in the foundation chain. For this example, I'm starting with a foundation chain of 32. So to break it down, 30 is a multiple of 6, plus 1 is 31, and the additional chain adds up to 32 chains. For row 1, start by making a single crochet into the second chain from the hook. Then skip 2 chains. Make 5 double crochets in the next chain, skip 2 chains, and make a single crochet in the next chain. And I will repeat this pattern across until the end of the row. And at the end, I will turn. In row 2, I'll start by making a chain of 3, and this counts as the first double crochet. Then I'll make 2 double crochets in the first stitch. Then I'll skip 2 double crochets and make a single crochet in the next double crochet. I'll skip 2 double crochets and make 5 double crochets in the next single crochet. And I will repeat this pattern until the end of the row, ending with 3 double crochet in the last single crochet. Next, in row 3, I'll start with a chain 1 and make a single crochet into the first stitch. Skip 2 double crochets and make 5 double crochet in the next single crochet stitch. Then skip 2 double crochets and make a single crochet into the next double crochet. And I will repeat this pattern until the end of the row, ending with a single crochet into the top of the turning chain. And then I will just repeat rows 2 and 3 until I reach my desired length. And the repetition of these rows will result in a stunning textured fabric that showcases the beautiful shell motif. The solid shell stitch offers versatility in creating various projects. You can use it to make cozy blankets, scarves, shawls, or even garments like this beautiful 60s inspired dress I made. The stitches scallop like shells add an elegant touch to any design. If you're looking for the written instructions for this stitch, you can find those on my blog. I'll leave a link to the post in the description. Always remember to block your finished piece to ensure the stitches stand out and create a polished look. Well, that's it for the solid shell stitch tutorial. I hope you have found this tutorial helpful and inspiring for your next crochet projects. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.